Today we are exercising a puppy full of demons, and they need to come out. You can see that the demons are inside him. The demons, they're in him. And they want to come out of this poor puppy. Poor puppy, come out. The power of Christ. Jesus himself compared to the power. No demons! No demons! No demons! No! The power of Christ compared to Jesus himself compared to those things. Here's the dog.